Norris Dam comes through the winter a step nearer completion. The staccato echoes of clattering machines and the shouts of thousands of busy workmen have resounded through the valley of the Clinch River for nearly 2 years, as work has been rushed forward to complete one of the country's largest power and reservoir dams by 1936. Built of huge cement blocks, the walls of the new dam tower into the sky like mighty modern pyramids. This great dam and hydroelectric plant will harness the raging spring floodwaters of the Clinch and Tennessee rivers. Water will be provided for irrigation purposes in the Tennessee Valley for years to come. The hydroelectric plant will furnish light and power to thousands of homes. High above the dam, huge steel buckets filled with rock and concrete swing back and forth all day long. Heavy shadows on the floor of the valley mark their journeys overhead. And at the ends of the cables, enormous anchor cars weighing many tons roll slowly back and forth, lowering the steel buckets at their destinations, then raising and returning them after each load has been delivered. The vast extent of the great TVA project is almost unbelievable. Hundreds of thousands of tons of rock are being removed, and tons of concrete and steel are being substituted in their place. A fast, dependable ambulance is held in readiness for any possible emergency that might arise. The many machines, motor cars, and trucks used are receiving the roughest and toughest punishment. Steel railroad rails are welded into truck bodies that will withstand the 10-ton loads of rock. A shovel that bites more than 3 tons of rock at a time out of the side of this hill, then piles it on a waiting truck. With incredible accuracy, the scoop is swung to and fro by the highly skilled touch of a steam shovel engineer. 1 or 2 scoops this size and it's ready to move on. Without efficient shovels like this and sturdy trucks to carry away the rock, many more years would be required to complete the building program. Whoa! Look at the load they put on that Chevrolet truck. In addition to the 10-ton heavy-duty trucks, many other smaller, faster Chevrolet trucks and delivery cars are needed for 1,001 different purposes. 150 Chevrolet trucks tear about the rough, jagged valley, carrying supplies of gasoline, machinery, and gravel, transporting engineers from one point to another. A mighty important part of the work which must be done to assure the completion of the dam on scheduled time. The entire TVA project will affect the lives of over 6 million people in the surrounding territory.